It now appears that we will be going all the way through to London. Once again, service now calling. The calling point is 162. Control helmet will be going through the affected area and
Yeah, we'll have to sit somewhere else. Obviously,
all the way through to
You got me breathing better than ever. I'm walking on air.
Edinburgh, Wemyss Town, and Freethorn.
I think you got away somehow. Did you get away somehow? We changed. I could see clouds in the sky, about to get away.
So now I'm catching the Glasgow Central to Air service. Before platforms. Three cars. ScotRail seems very reliable so far. If this was other areas of the UK, there'd be cancellations, all sorts going on. But so far, all the trains have been very punctual. Listen to that sound. Nice paintings on the wall. Hello, I'm Jonathan. Welcome to a new railway service today. Today we are going from Wemyss Bay over to Port Glasgow. Hello, I'm Jonathan. Today I'm on the Glasgow Central to Ardusson Harbour service. So it's Glasgow Central to Ardusson Harbour, 12:12. You watch it open again. Hello there, I'm Jonathan and welcome to another Railway Services Challenge. Today we are doing the Glasgow Central to Edinburgh Waverley via Shotts.
Any advice that I give them, right, is if you go into Edinburgh, to take a 10-minute walk to Queen Street, and that train takes 45 minutes. Even if you add the 10-minute walk on, you're still going to get there 20 minutes before.
Is free.
Okay, I'm on the A66 travelling to Ayr Station. So going across the Pennines, over to Penrith and then up to Carlisle and over the southern Scotland hills to Ayr. via Sanka. So that's I started early this morning about 5 o'clock from Lincolnshire. So now I'm driving.
Everybody dance.
So this is the 11:36 to Stranraer service.
You dream away for a day. Oh, was it a rainbow falling?
The next stop is Stranraer.
To lie in your arms here. You dream away for a day. All I need is true, and I'm falling, calling. When I reach out, you will hold on. Was it a rainbow falling? Was it a rainbow falling? When I touch the rainbow, here am I, meant to find a little peace of mind. You dream.
Oh wow, wasn't that a wonderful journey from air? Anyway, Stranraer Harbour used to be ferries to Ireland, but now it is much run down with ferry services now going from Cairnryan a little bit up the coast. The station itself was opened in 1862. It had its heyday, and there used to be boat trains out to Stranraer, but no more. Today's Spirit of Scotland rail rover. Behind me is the River Clyde, and I am at Wemyss Bay. Yes, so today I'm catching the train from Wemyss Bay to Glasgow. So this is the way down to the ferry terminal. What a fantastic. So the ferry goes over to Rothsay Butte. And that's the booking office. There's a cafe, telephone, bookshop, toilets, way out. The Glasgow Central to Wemyss Bay branch line has an hourly service and takes about 50 minutes, being class 318 to the south. As soon as you leave the station there are fine views. At Neilston, there's like a 20-minute wait before it goes back again to Glasgow. It goes into a siding at the end of the line and then comes back onto the other platform because it has 2 platforms. Next is the Glasgow Central to Barhead service. There is 1 train that goes from Kilmarnock to Ayr and 1 in the evening to Gavin. In 1978, a new station building was opened. The signal box is still in operation. There is 1 train every 2 hours to Carlisle, 2 to 3 trains per hour from Kilmarnock to Glasgow.